Welcome back to Stock Motion, the stock market educational YouTube channel. All uploaded content is strictly for educational purposes and is only my opinion. I am not a financial advisor and you are responsible for your own trades. Please do your own due diligence before investing any money in the stock market. Trading is risky and you can lose money. Guys, if we have helped you in any way by putting a hot stock on your radar, why not consider supporting the channel via Patreon or by signing up for a free Trading 212 account via my referral link, and we both get a free stock worth up to £100. You can find the links below, and don't forget to hit them like and subscribe button so we can continue to bring you the latest hot stocks and content. Without further ado, let's get into it. In today's video we're going to take a look at Bantec Inc., ticker symbol BANT. Bantec Inc. along with its subsidiaries provides unmanned aerial vehicles, UAV, and related services. Principally, it is engaged in the business of research, design, development, testing, manufacturing, distribution, exportation, and integration of low-altitude UAV systems, services, and products. The company also provides procurement, distribution, and logistics services. It focuses on distributing drones and related services and environmental construction products and services. Bantec Inc., a product and services company, announces that it signed an agreement with Accurate Franchising to launch Bantec Sanitizing Exposure Response Mobile Service as a franchise. Michael Bannon, Bantec's chairman and CEO, stated, "On February 1, 2021 we signed an agreement with Accurate Franchising to launch Bantec Sanitizing Exposure Response Mobile Service franchise. Accurate will help us locate potential franchisees, assist with the franchise agreement, state registrations, franchise operating manual, franchise marketing plan, franchise landing page, franchise brochure, business planning for Bantec Sanitizing franchisees, and many other franchising aspects. We anticipate selling our first franchise in the next 3 months. Meanwhile, we will perform all sanitizing services in-house. Future Bantec Sanitizing franchisees will offer Bantec Sanitizing supplies, robots, UV lights, and deep cleaning services. After we roll out the Bantec Sanitizing franchise, we will look to investigate other franchises. As drones and robots become more integral to our way of life, we will explore franchising Drone USA. Accurate Franchising, Inc. is the only franchise development consulting firm that actually owns and operates their own franchise brands. We have first-hand experience with franchising, giving us an intimate understanding of what a franchisor needs to succeed. As we work with our clients to help their franchises grow and thrive, we are also working with our sister companies, Signarama, Experamac, and others, to keep those franchise brands strong. Bantec Sanitizing, a division of Bantec, provides a variety of products and services to help facility managers, safety professionals, and maintenance personnel combat a multitude of airborne and surface hazards. As of 2021 February 9th, Tuesday, current price of BANT stock is $0.0333, and our data indicates that the asset price has been stagnating for the past 1 year, or since its inception. Future price of the stock is predicted at $0.075522, 126.794%, after a year according to our prediction system. Please remember, do your own due diligence before investing any money in the stock market. And please like and subscribe for more content, and it would really help out the channel. Thank you and take care.